Once again, guys, that is Teddy or Palawan Bearcat with the scientific name of Athictis binturong, or locally known as the binturong po. Now, did you know that the tail canal has a field name, or it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab, so they can grab sa mga objects na kasinggaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Ganyan na ganyan po ang kanilang tail, and ipapakita yan ni Teddy this afternoon po. No, Teddy, go to your spot na boy. Are you ready? And down, down, down. There you go po. That is prehensile tail in action. They're doing that in a while to get some fruits coming from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Ayan, now, may direct your attention to your left side, right side na naman. And may involve na Uno, Teddy's older brother. Ako si Uno, guys, may pagkamahiyain po po. So let's understand him na po. Once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as you want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior po. And the reason that they're sparing their names is because they're capable of standing up with their two hind legs. And ipapakita yan ni Uno this afternoon. Now, Uno, up na boy. Up na Uno. And up. There you go. That is the two hind legs in action. And by the way, guys, Palawan Bearcats are omnivores nga po pala. So kumakain sila ng prutas at karne. Now, Kuya Michael, ano pinapakain natin kay Uno? Ano yan, guys? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Now, may tanong ulit ako sa inyo, okay? Anong tawag sa mga hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses?